In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive CRM, complete beginner's tutorial. By the end, you'll be comfortable logging in, adding contacts and deals, moving items through your pipeline, scheduling activities, and navigating the main menu with confidence. Start by opening Pipedrive in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, take a second to look around the dashboard. This homebase gives you quick access to the tools you'll use most often, and a snapshot of what's coming up. You may see a setup guide on the dashboard. This is optional, but it's a great way to get oriented. Use the prompts to jump into the key areas. Go to Contacts to see your people and organizations. Go to Activities to view calls, meetings, and tasks. And go to Deals to see where your opportunities will live. Think of this as a quick tour so you know where everything is. Let's add your first contact. Click Contacts, then select the option to add a new person. Enter the basics you actually use, such as a name, company, and preferred way to reach them. Keep it simple for now. You can always fill in more details later. When you're done, click Save. Having a clean contact list is the foundation of everything else you'll do. Next, create your first deal. Head to Deals, click to add a new deal, and enter the info that defines this opportunity. A clear title, the contact it's linked to, a value if you track revenue, and an expected close date if you have one. Click Save. Your deal will now appear in the pipeline. The pipeline is a visual board where deals move through stages. Each column represents a step in your sales process. As the deal progresses, simply drag and drop it to the next stage. This keeps your pipeline current and gives you a real-time view of what needs attention. To stay on top of your day, schedule activities. Click Activities and add a call, meeting, or task. Choose a due date and any notes that will help you prepare. Activities also appear on the related contact or deal, so you always know what's next. When a decision is made, update the deal status to won or lost. Doing this promptly keeps your pipeline accurate and helps your reports reflect what's working. Finally, use the left sidebar to navigate quickly. Contacts holds people and organizations. Deals is your pipeline. Activities shows your to-do list. Mail lets you manage email alongside your sales work if you connect your inbox. That's it. Log in, follow the setup tour if you like, add a contact, create a deal, use the pipeline, schedule activities, track results, and navigate from the sidebar. Thanks for watching.